welcome back, and today we are going to put this onto this. So as most of you know, the plan with Klaus is to do basically everything: drag, drift, burnouts, and I want to eventually, when he's running fine all the time, do drag weeks and Rocky Mountain race weeks and things like that. So what we're going to do is put this full hitch system onto Klaus. I got a little Harbor Freight step bump receiver that we're going to modify to make it work. Got some square steel because I need to drop it down, and we got the full wiring harness kit. Now the reason I need to drop it down is because what we're going to do is place it right here, kind of where the horn is. I got to move the horn, but it'll go up there. I need to space it down to where it gets underneath this bar, and I'm going to run like 4 grade 8 1/2-inch bolts through this top one, through the steel, through all that, and it's all going to be welded from bar to bar, so it should be extremely strong. Now I know he will have no problem towing the weight. We'll see what the suspension will like and what it will hold, I guess, but it should work pretty well for towing the small trailer around and things like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started on it. All right, so I got my metal cut. Had to get a little notch for the bolts. Extra piece hanging out here. So if we can see, it's gonna go from like right here to right here. It's gonna get all welded in, and it's also gonna get bolts ran through it to make sure it's nice and strong. Got all this set up. I got my welder set up. Got my grinding reel, and gonna get to it. All right, guys. I know you missed most of that trailer install. That's because we lost some of the footage. It's all corrupted. I love when this happens. So I'm going to show you the completed hitch now, the trailer setup. Here it is. Klaus hooked up. We got the flags because it is 4th of July. So we're going to go do some partying on the boat, have some fun. But we got the trailer hooked up because we're going to take it back to Mike's. There's Small Hands Chad over there. And see right here, it's all wired in, plugged in. I got a nice plug right there. It is all hooked up, mounted underneath. It is fully welded all the way around. And also I have 2 1/2-inch grade 8 studs going through it as well to give it extra stability. But you can see it's pretty strong. It's going to be more than strong enough for race week and everything else. But that's looking good. We got Mama. She's due like any day, maybe today, who knows. But that's it. That's the trailer. We'll see you guys later. What's up, guys? We're out here on the boat. You've seen us having some fun. Our boat neighbors at the dock gave us their little toy, this little raft. And this thing is fun. We got it tied up right here. We're pulling Small Hands Chad all the way down, and we're heading to the sandbar. Mike piloting right now. off to Chad so you can get his view. We have like a half mile of a no wake zone, so this is a good spot because we don't want to drop the GoPro in the water. Hands off. Bloop, bloop. Not drop it in the water. All right, guys. I'm not allowed to drop you in the water. I probably look like the sexiest man alive with my hair all jacked up. Carl did not clean the camera. My hands are too wet to do it, so sorry, you're gonna have to just tolerate it. Maybe that helps. I'm hands-free, guys. See our downtown Fifth Third building, Renaissance Hotel, the Heights, Imagination Station, Hermetica. Oh, there it is. Toledo in all her glory. Oh no, I missed! I tried to chuck my can into the boat and it missed to the side. No! Mike, pull me over with the rope. Ah, I got you!
Alright, now I'll try to toss it.
Gotta fill it up with water again. No, I crushed it.
Here. Yeah!
Alright guys, that's our 4th of July day. We went boating, we're watching fireworks, we're gonna party, and we'll see you guys on the next one.